see the steam? This is something called evaporation, where the water immediately turns into air once it's very hot. But now it is in very hot water. And that is what it's causing evaporation. Okay, next one. Okay, now we are gonna make a popsicle out of this chocolate drink. Okay, there. Now we're gonna put this in the freezer. So, these are the popsicles that I made earlier. And before it was a chocolate drink, now it became a frozen popsicle. And this is the process called freezing. So we've left this popsicle for like 10 minutes, and now it has melted. It melted because it went under a process called melting. Okay, these are mud balls, and these ones are already tiny. That is because it has undergone a process called sublimation.